Hey there, you doers. Today I'm going to fix my passenger side mirror on my Honda Odyssey 2014. I believe the mirror is the same from the 14 to the 17, I believe. If to do, as you can see, the mirror is cracked here on the bottom. First thing I do is I push the mirror out a bit so it's easier to manage. Then I'm going to take some painter's tape. I'm going to put it over the broken mirror, keep it from breaking anymore. I'm going to use painter's tape mainly because if I can't get this off properly, I need to put this back on. I don't want to have all this super sticky tape on there that might make the glass even more damaged in case I have to use it and my change fails here. So, alright, so now I'm going to do is to get this off, I'm going to push on the top of this. The reason why I'm going to do that is the way this mirror is designed, there's some clips at the bottom. I'm going to try to pop out and then I can slide out the top portion. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to push on the top like this so it pops out. So I wear gloves here. There. So it pops out and I'll remove it now. And as you can see, there is a connection to the power source right here to heat the mirror. So what I'm going to do is just unplug that. It unplugs. And this is where it connects to on the mirror itself. It's where this plugs in here. So now I'm going to get my replacement mirror right here. And one thing I want you to notice is that in a lot of these replacement mirrors is that these two prongs here are wider in spacing than the original OEM mirror. So if you don't get an OEM mirror, you're probably going to encounter something like this. And what that means is that this plug will not fit properly into the two prongs. The way they solve that is that many mirrors will send you two wires to fit in there. So when you buy your replacement mirror, a lot of the times you'll receive two wires here. And the intention of these two wires that you connect to the prongs like this at the end, and then like this, like that. And then the ends of these wires then plug in to this part right here. Now, well, here's another problem with that is that the tips of these are often too wide for this outlet here. So how do you solve for that? Well, what I've done is I've clipped the end so that it's the size of the prongs using some wire cutters. But be very careful if you try this. Protect your hands and your eyes. But I basically clipped them like this. So these are extra wires I had, and I clipped them so they're basically half. And now these wires match. This is the original OEM mirror. These wires, the tip of the wire plug matches the size of the original OEM prongs. So that's one thing you might have to overcome if you want to use heated mirrors, or you may just buy an OEM mirror. All right, so now I'm going to remove these other wires with the fat ends on them, the ends that are too wide. I'm going to plug in my adjusted wires. So again, here's the original wire, and here's the wire that I cut in half. Hopefully this fits, no problem. And I'll show you here. So now I'm going to plug this wire into this slot here, like this. The outlet, the power outlet. Same with this one. And then I'm going to tape it down with some electrical tape. Like this. So just to secure it, also to separate them. I don't think they're going to join together. So I just taped it down. And I'm going to take the new mirror here, and I'm going to plug in the two ends here. As you can see, this is what the background of the Odyssey 2014 mirror looks like. There's two clips down here that secure it, and these are the two ones that slide into this area up here. So basically I'm going to slide it up like this and then clip it in. So basically just slide it in and it locks in like that. So the first thing I need to do though is attach the wiring. So let me do that here. You can see it. Just going to push this in like this. I'm going to push this one in like this here. So they're in well like that. Let's see here. All right, so there you go. It's attached now. Finishing touch, just tuck this in, tuck the wire in here, it doesn't get in the way. Again, what I want to do is I want to hook this to that. I'm going to hook this in there. I'm going to hook this guy right up there like this. Okay, so I got it hooked in there like that. So now it's not moving the top. 2 hooks are in. Now I'm gonna gently slide. Now let me get my gloves on here. I'm gonna put my gloves on here. I'm gonna push the bottom part of the mirror in so it clicks. There's one. It should be. All right, it should be done. That's it. There you go. All right, you doers, there we go. We replaced this broken passenger side mirror on my Honda Odyssey 2014 with this new aftermarket mirror. One of the challenges I faced was that the prongs on the back of my OEM mirror here, the prongs that attach to the heating element plug, are closely spaced here. And the prongs on the new mirror were more widely spaced, so the plug wouldn't fit in directly. My kit came with these wires here, which I could plug in to the back of the mirror. But the problem is the part that goes into the plug is too wide. So what I ended up doing was using some wire cutters and cutting them in half to match the size of the prongs. I believe there are some kits that have the right size wires. In my case, I didn't, so I carefully cut them. If you do that, be very careful. Protect your eyes, your hands, etc. Put a link to the stuff that I used in the description. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you things to help you get things done.